Did lead actually collapse Rome? Not alone. No, but heavy lead exposure, DID, weakened Roman health, intelligence, fertility, and stability, and it made existing problems worse. Lead poisoning was one of many factors that contributed to Rome's weakening, but it did not single-handedly destroy the empire. 1. Rome used lead everywhere. Romans loved lead because it was soft, cheap, and easy to shape. They used it for water pipes, plumbing, cooking pots and pans, wine sweeteners, sapa or defrutum, cosmetics, pigments, lead white, roof tiles, food containers, bath pipes, coins. Sometimes lead was everywhere in daily life. 2. The worst source was sweetened wine. The Romans boiled grapes in lead pots, creating lead acetate, known as sugar of lead, a sweet poison. Elite Romans drank liters of this every day. This caused infertility, kidney failure, mood swings, nerve damage, cognitive decline, gout common among wealthy Romans. Some historians believe elite Roman men had declining fertility rates in the late empire due to lead poisoning. 3. Did lead pipes poison the water? Partially, but not as much as people think. Roman water pipes did contain lead, but the water was calcium rich, forming a mineral coating. This reduced lead leaching, so pipes weren't the biggest danger, wine was far worse. 4. Lead damaged Roman decision makers. Symptoms of long-term lead poisoning include impaired judgment, irritability, shortened attention span, confusion, aggression, poor memory. Roman emperors and elites drank the most contaminated wine. Some historians argue this contributed to unstable leadership, irrational politics, poor long-term planning, increased violence, erratic decision-making in later emperors. This didn't collapse the empire, but it weakened the ruling class over generations. 5. Lead lowered birth rates. Lead exposure reduces fertility drastically. Elite birth rates collapsed. Adoption became the main method of continuation. Many emperors could not produce healthy heirs. Infant mortality increased in wealthy families. A shrinking elite population created political instability and succession crises, one of Rome's major problems. So did lead poisoning collapse Rome? Short answer: no. It did not directly collapse the empire, but it contributed to decline by weakening health, damaging cognitive ability, lowering fertility, destabilizing leadership, worsening already existing crises. It was a slow, silent contributor, not the main cause. What actually collapsed the Roman Empire? Most historians agree the real causes were economic collapse, military overstretch, political corruption, civil wars, barbarian invasions, plague, infrastructure decline, reliance on mercenaries, climate cooling. Late antique Little Ice Age lead poisoning was one piece of a giant puzzle, not the whole answer.